please. Here only.
Direct. 80 meters.
How long it will fly?
Sir, it is time is it varies.
Due to PRI, Tribal Research Institute, can be corrected. I'm telling you. You all are not giving them money to produce.
So they are all tribal software project. They are all beneficiaries from our center and also from
Everywhere, leaving JNK. This is the best meeting. But control the quantity. Don't be like.
Cookie, memento, and a fruit hamper prepared by our KVK West Tripura and KVK South Tripura.
Santosh Das, Director T. Sameti, if I am pronouncing correctly, Sri Aurobindo Debarma, and also we have Joint Director SARS, Dr. Uttam Shah, Dean College of Fisheries, Dr. A.B. Patel, Dr. B.P. Singh, Head of Division of Technology, ICAR, Sri Diganta Das. Dr. Chaudhary was telling that GM was supposed to come, but DGM has come. But I must tell you that the future GM has come. Because from DGM only he becomes GM. So we can say that GM nahi aaya, future GM has come to me. I really thank him from NABARD. And of course, the head of ICR Tripura Center, Dr. V.U. Chaudhary. I really thank all of you all, and also all the scientists, research officers, technicians. Teachini ICR by Karanjak, Takukte Kukuk Somno, Balai Balai, Kaka Hamjapar. Angkok Korok Sana Idokta. It was a great experience for me also today to be here, and I'm sure I have named almost everyone, and also Commandant Sahab from CRPF is here. I thank you also to be part of this program. It is a great experience for me in the sense that ICR scientists, you all have gone far ahead now. You know, in the technological invention, the system, the low-cost technologies you have demonstrated today. It's mind-blowing, let me tell you. But the only thing is, this all has to be taken to the farmers who are the real end users of this technology. That's why I was talking to Dr. Chaudhary that you must have this kind of exhibition, not here in a small place. Take it to the open ground, like Astabal ground, one of the finest place. I must tell that if you want to connect with the people, that's the place where we can bring the technology and the end user together. And he was talking about the funding problem. I think my forest department, we have agroforestry, one part of our livelihood project. Probably we can collaborate, and partly I also can take the initiative to fund to do such program in Astabal ground. This is one. Second thing, for the scientists, I just want to give a simple message to you. You may feel that Tripura is a small state, that what really we can contribute here. Research scientists can work better in Punjab, Haryana, or maybe in Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Karnataka, because they have huge land, so that you can really do experiment and you can try your technologies. But if I was in your position, I would have taken Tripura as a challenge, because scientists, you should invent some technology or some method where you don't have much of land but the production is big. That should be the invention. You have large space but you can produce so much. I think that technology will not be appreciated by the farmers. And we all are standing in the challenging situation in the world. Dr. Chaudhary was telling that we have deficit in milk, deficit in fish, also in meat, I'm sure, because still fish is coming from Kolhapur and also from Telangana, Hyderabad, from Bangladesh. Bangladesh is our big source for hilsa. And then, why this deficit? The deficit could be the scientists, you all have invented the technology, but the technology has not reached to the farmers. This may be one of the reasons. Norok Zara Tinoro Painero, Dr. Chaudhary Ano Sao, Chingari Makok Buzinable Noro, Chingari Mana horse in Rinabungan Tinjay. Ada mono kutungo payang so horse in Zagitogat. Nizas a Kamna Naidoga, Dr. Chaudhary. मोनो को असके तुम इज सो हॉट आपने हमको चिंगारी लाने के लिए बोला मैं खुद चिंगारी बन गया आज इट इज सो हॉट नेक्स्ट टाइम see you should have the research Indian Council of Agricultural Research this is the top institution in the country for agriculture Tripura Center kaisa air condition training hall tongnani dorkar oro jesuk bokrok thanda borok tuma bokrok tungoi training ni pore thap lengi thanda hete oro kun sirmang lagai hasingnu chini Santir Bazar ni folk dance musai tongkru Jinta Gedi he is the real scientist the male folk dancer is the real scientist. Khorok tham bari bai khorok sa salam saka was a scientist I think. In the country. Bini asaka mai production my room super fine rice Haryana Gurugram nitage direct US Europe bin my room thamwat. That is called farmer and our these farmer they are Kujra farmers. Omoge chai ba sina sini chai. Omoge kun claimias. So, I would request ICAR scientists. So no, amti technology friendly. Je technology by chini farmer ro 1 acre. 1 acre is how much? 2.5 tons. 1 acre chas klayan onto 10-15 lakh taka rozgar khai mannani moto. Aro lama ma fulungai. A lama ni bagigo angorono. I put forward my humble suggestion to them. Dini ang kabang kok saka muikumu mushroom. Uzi chini para oje mushroom man mani abo pai pai kogi pai no kukunai. Abo no rahu just songdi tipuno nangyay. Because all bazar di mushroom. Amo chakri chaibo thigya buti chaibo thigya something some problem abun bale angorno saka futelo phalna bagi sini aim tak laidi এই প্রশাসনা নেই ওয়াংশাসনা নেই আমাদের সন্তোষ বাবু উনিও মাশরুম খান আপনিও মাশরুম খান কিন্তু মাশরুম আমরা ত্রিপুরারা কি মাশরুম খাই, আমরা চাকরি খাই, গদক খাই, আওয়ান্দ্রু খাই, আমাদের মাশরুম এই। আর বাঙালিদের মাশরুম কি, বাংলারা আলু টালু দিয়ে একটু গরম মশলা টসলা দিয়ে একদম ভাজা, বংনি বড়। So চাকরি আওয়ান্দ্রু গদক চানান বাগে চিনি indigenous mushroom. She was there. I don't know your name. I have forgotten your name. She's also doctorate. She was there. Bonan Saka was side of Dr. Chaudhary. Sir, वो नहीं कर पाते. वो different breed है, ये different breed है. ठीक है? Yes. मसाबाई मायुनो hybrid लाइन में आओगे. सी बाई मुसुबना hybrid कहीं नहीं आओगे. किंतु Sini आप mushroom no fano. Please take that our indigenous mushroom and then in large scale we should be able to produce. You know, Chini ada indigenous and samani Chini haplogo muikumu manmani. Jammu and Kashmir 5,000 per kilo, 5,000 rupees, 5,000. Whereas in Tripura, 450-500 taka kg. 10 গুণ জম্মু এন্ড কাশ্মীর আবলি দাম। So why don't you take that breed and then do research on that so that we can sell it to the market where we'll get more money. And then I don't know, ICR has got a concept of marketplace. Please link them. Chini of farmer no norok za maning mani chini Dr. Chaudhary, the entire team of Dr. Chaudhary, Borno Bhai Sadjan, Fosol Kaika, Fosol Kaisa Rangmay Tamla, and Kaisha Gotana Sanai, Kuaini Kolan Puroit, or Rupini, Tazigo Tam Rupini Sikao Libo, Borobo, Tazigo Zawarpa, okay, Kuai Kolan Pursi Sidon, Gio Kuet Kuai Tam Gangosan, Chini Koroksa Boro. Die Prasano, Zaitalik, Sofri Kola, Cook Kaham Gasas Kagan. Boro Palaibo, Williampur Bazar Tangai, Bokrogo Ruzui Tanga Boy, Halik to Ruzui Tanga, Asakaroni, Dugandaro Hamzaka, Bobo Ayakali, Bobo Duyali, Bobo Duitaka Haka, Nahari Shaka, Hari Poishaden, Bobin Bokrogon, Talik Paitangai. আমার দোকানে আয়া পয়সা দিয়ে বসি ছিনিয়ে বাজার তঙ্গে নালে বাজার থাকতে হবে আমার এগ্রিকালচার প্রোডাক্ট এই বাজারটা যেন আমার মাথার উপরে না হয় আর এই বকরক ছাগাও বাজারকে ভাইলেই না আমার বাজার দিতে হবে সরকার মামান শুনাই দেব Please take up. Why don't you ICR, you please put forward your proposal to the government. Indigenously produced muya, samsata, thorai, orai, omorma phalnan bage, even in Agartala, Udaipur, Omorpur, ittadi jago indigenous, indigenously produced agriculture produces of phalnani bage. Market shaped Nandai. You have to have store. Otherwise, where you will sell? Every now and then they are being chased out by the local shopkeepers here. Their rights also have to be protected, let me tell you. Unless you cannot protect their interest, why they will grow? They will not. Aapko bazaar create karna. It is not only training about the technologies. Also, we have to safeguard their interest, and we must try with the government. I think this must be happening everywhere. Gabang ma jaga sendu buchini muya phalnai, o phalnai ro lama o wati wakai sati, thonei ma phalo hai. Bhai ke phalnai hai ke? So omor ko ICR mein alochona kaidi. They must demand for more funds. See, I am a forest minister. I cannot ask fund for agriculture. You have every right. You collaborate. I cannot ask fund for buying guns because I am not Home Minister. So it is your department. You please vis-a-vis side by side the way you are inventing the technologies. Dr. Chaudhary, nang lekha pora puri birat bigyani naidan sandir bazanni ani borok khoroksa baigai borok dance keibiga borai khorok tamno musari donika boiche was a real scientist like ICL sentautam ma khene no borok kok kaham sawam kok kaham sale problem boro haise kemo krishok na musugi haise krishok মানে সাতুন বুকুরন নাংনাই হাইছে কেবল মুসুঙ্গিয়া আলবাইদি মাই পড়দি মাই রাদি মাই নাদি হুগো থাঙ্গি মাই কাইদি are very difficult. I tell you, it is easy to tell that farmers you become active. कौन active बनना चाहता? Standing here, I can tell. I have seen my life and the world. People who are selling their energy every day, they earn little bit of amount of money. People sitting under the fan, they earn much bigger amount. People sitting in the AC room, they earn the most. So, why these farmers will burn their skin in the hot sun? I don't have mobile. My mobile is with my personal security officer. That mobile is costing not less than 70,000. Initially, I used a mobile which is of 24,000 rupees. It used to hang. There were so many apps, so many things we need to download. Banking applications, Google, Wikipedia, so many things, n number of things. The mobile does not work. I had to go for this mobile. This mobile is costing not less than 70,000. अभी एक जमातिया साहब ने आके इधर बोला बीर सिंह जमातिया देखा हूँ ताकू दिन को बड़ा था का बड़ा हॉल बिचिंग तो बीर सिंह देनिन को बीर सिंह ताजिंग छाका जानी इनकम 1,20,000 টাকা প্রত্যেক বছর অর্থাৎ মান্থলি 10,000 ইনকাম খাইমানি আইসিআর বাই করংলাই তাবো ইয়ারলি 10 লক্ষ টাকা so if I roughly calculate it will be around say 80,000 per month not but 80,000 per month bin income জানো একটা মোবাইল পাইতে না বিনে এক মাস তে বেতন শেয়ার whereas or ICR যারা সায়েন্টিস্ট নিয়ে আসুক তংনেরো 2 লাখ 2.5 লাখ 3 লাখ বেতন মান হয় আর যারা বুকুর মধ্যে কৃষক খাই নাই বড় রাঙাজি মায়া আম সানর মুসু কিন্তু চিনো উপায় করে we have no other option যে বড়গনি তে কোন লামা করে বড় ফিকুঙ্গ হকি বক্সা গেখায় কেরাং নালিয়া বলে mo ICR ni scientist ro ti prasarok ni fikungo hoki bogu thabo gache inde na mal de aiche ang siwa bo kosto kiaba there are technique ang ekjon krishok no chilo this is a lifetime testimony given by one farmer in Tripura. I know one farmer from Unabhuti district. I know him for the last 26 years. From my days in Mumbai, I happened to know this guy. He was a farmer. He is junior to me by 4 to 5 years. Matro class 3 jora Holy Cross School of Porikam. Only till class 3. Since he studied in Holy Cross, he can speak English. That's the advantage. Whenever he meets some army officers, he'll ask their help. Whenever he meets some Christian fathers, he'll ask their help. When he'll meet person like Dr. Chaudhary, he'll ask help. Virat ekta kuai bagan khaiga in the last 26 years. And now his yearly earning is more than 70 lakhs. More than 70 lakhs. Only agriculture. So please tell them of farmer no mas hanai bochoron toto 25 lakh 30 lakh income finally moto amdi chas ni kokse korno sadin jaro mushroom phalai I know selling mushroom you can earn 30,000 rupees a month but you cannot earn 50 lakhs a year. Chini dhani tabuko I tell the agricultural scientists agar is the next generation crop in Tripura. Agar ek ekta agar bufan it can give you 20-25 lakhs. Tangi nok agar bufan ni kok khanak lamla agor nusung agor oro prai borno scent fully packaged scent perfume a scent namani abo agar ni oil language. I am not discouraging mushroom revo tokta khumro bigari ICR need not to teach us suno phurna le what bahige renai suno phurnai suntu phurma bor they are the real scientists suno phurna nahi কিন্তু suno emon ফসল ফুনুতুং বড় যে ফসল আনো হাজার ইয়ানো লক্ষ টাকা ইনকাম খাইমানানি আর টেকনোলজি সানুমা ফুনুতে because the landscape of Tripura is unlike Haryana, it is unlike Punjab. Punjab boro musu pai dal bai ba tractor bai shankari ahai ka motor nai funga ke bas tarpor tractor kona pehalwan dudh dunga sa 2.5 liter abo aro ni farmer